Hey guys, through here with another video for Blender, and this one's gonna be a quick one about running loops through ngons. Now, if I'm going to grab a cube, right, and drop it somewhere here, and go to edit mode and run a loop through it, no problem, because quads. However, in this situation, you're fucked, because not gonna happen. Now there are of course ways of doing it with you could just cut it with a knife, so you could slice it through. That's one. Two, you could use a hard up a box cutter, right? So you could just simply slice this, press K, and there's your loop. But there's another method which is pretty cool. And what you can do is you can select the edges that you want this loop to run around, and you click on subdivide, and this will create a loop around. It's not gonna be super straight, but you can grab add-on like, for example, machine tools, and select these three verts, select this one, Alt A, bottom, and there's your loop. Okay, and then you need to align it, so EF, and you can align it to the bottom face, or edge, which is perpendicular to the y-axis, and there's your loop. And this way you can run loops on literally anything you want. So anyway guys, quick tip from me, hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and sub if you did, and catch you next one.